Hi there. Today in this video we will learn how we can make language learning more effective. How we can learn and how we can speak language at home without an affair. So, the first thing that we should be doing in order to make this learning more authentic and more realistic is talking to kids. You know, if you have brother, sister at home, so try to have conversation with them. Try to strike up conversation. Talk to them because they understand nothing. If you're using language which is English, so they will not understand anything. So there will be no fear of being judged, and that's what you can make the most of it. Okay, so try to talk to small children and talk loudly and try to pretend like you are a real English speaker, or try to pretend like you are a person from other country. Just talk like that. Try to be like that. Yeah. What I do in my case, whenever I'm at home, so I have three cousins, so I often talk to them like that. I just try to pretend like I know how to speak this language, and I try to pretend like I'm being really much serious about this language. And when you do this, you somewhere able to come out of your comfort zone. You're somewhere able to feel confident from inside. Okay, that's the best way to learn, because here you are learning as well as you are teaching to your brothers and sisters. So you can just do it, because I think we have cornucopia of resources at home to learn English. But having said that, we just keep searching about the tools, and we just keep searching about an environment. Okay, we just keep searching on how can I learn language and all, but we can make it happen being at home. And this could be manifested by practicing with yourself and with your brothers and sisters. So this is my kind of request. If you are diffident, if you are having no confidence, and if you feel like talking in English in front of your friends and family would be really deriding, so try to sequester yourself, try to keep yourself in an isolated place and talk to yourself. And now if you have brothers and sisters with whom you can be more comfortable, so talk to them. Okay, try to say what you are really willing to say. Okay, don't worry about your mistakes, let the mistake happen, but over the period of time you will understand everything how this language is spoken. Okay, this language is not as toiling as you think and I think. This is really easy. It is cup of tea. Please don't really make it more arduous, more difficult, more tough. It is not really rocket science. Okay, just flow with the flow. Okay, don't stop practicing. Keep practicing, keep practicing every single day. And the day you will be like demotivated, take pause, relax yourself, and take deep breath and think about what will happen if you don't practice. Okay, so practice is really essential, and the best way to practice is with yourself and with your brothers and sisters who are just children, who are small. Okay, just talk to them, make any story out of whatever thing you want. Okay, you can just pick off any story from any book. Okay, and you can narrate that, you can tell them, even you can exaggerate the matter, you can describe the way you want, and that will be a really amazing way, that will be really beneficial way. Okay, and I believe this was the video, and it might have helped you to understand how you can really practice when you are at home, when you are having no environment, when you are having no one who can really tells you how you can effectively learn language. But just implement those things that I have told you. Just try to do it every single day, and I think if you're doing it, this will help you, because in my personal life I'm doing it and I can see the results. Okay, because whatever we do for our own sake, this has always a positive outcome. Okay, because you are working hard, and when you're working hard for anything, it always gives you something in return. It never goes in vain, to be honest. Okay, each hard work has its own price, has its own value. Okay, so thank you so much. This was a small video, and I hope you have learned how you can implement those tricks that I have told you. And I'm trying to incentivize you, I'm trying to motivate you so that you can implement and inculcate this kind of tricks which are already existing in our home, but we are since not aware about, we are since ignorant about all this. So this was a small idea from my end which I have been implementing and executing. So thank you so much. I will definitely meet you in the next video. For the time of being, bye.